We love sharing good news. So when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us today and let us give you the same amazing service.